Hello all, today we are going to learn about configuring templates. This is regarding Generate Credit Memo. To generate the credit memo, first you need to generate forms and then go to manage templates, and then on the templates you need to do some operations and then you can generate a credit memo. Credit memo is used by many institutions where they need to input their product information or product packages details. All these will go into the credit memo. So let us look at the demo how we are going to create a credit memo. I'm just running this test case using CRT. I have clicked on new product packages and then filling all the fields and saving the record. After that, you will get to this page called product package and it will list all the details. On this, I have clicked on generate forms. Then I have clicked on manage templates. You can customize this template as per your requirement. And I'm checking all the fields, whether my template contains all these fields or not. And then now, here we have generate credit memo. So we have clicked on product package full credit memo. This is how we are going to create a credit memo. Thank you for watching the demo.